So hello everyone. So in the current month, that is in the month of March, or there is the we have seen the fixed deposit with the bank of rupees 50,000. That means आपको पता होगा कि 50,000 जब आपने इन्वेस्ट किया है, तो आपको इंटरेस्ट पे करना है. So you have and there is no percentage का आपको डिटेल नहीं बताया यहाँ पे कि how much rate of return you will get in fixed deposit. बट नॉर्मली हम लोग यहाँ पे अज्यूम करेंगे कि फिक्स डिपॉजिट का जो रेट है दैट इज 10%. वी हैव टू अज्यूम. और अगर आपको करंट रेट पता है तो आप करंट रेट भी ले सकते हैं. बट वॉट एवर यू आर अज्यूमिंग यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन नरेशन. सो जस्ट एंटर इट. अगेन एंटर एंड अल्ट आई F7. there is no ledger called accrued interest and all. So आपको क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे alt C करके. that is accrued interest. सो अक्रूड इंटरेस्ट जो आपको जाएगा दैट इज ग्रुपिंग आपको जो देना है इन द करंट एसेट. यस. So accrued interest in the current asset, just enter it or just press the control A. Okay, because there's no changes in all. So accrued interest I have taken as a 5,000 rupees to interest account. You have to do interest. So there is no interest ledger also. So you have to create over here. That is alt C interest account. So interest account, this is your indirect income. So you have to grouping the indirect income. Just control A. So I have created two accounts over here. That is accrued interest. It will go in the current asset, and interest account, it goes to the indirect income.
Indirect income.
Okay. You have to change the date also over here. That is F2, 31st March. And you have to write down the narration, that is binged interest on FD, interest on FD. It's accrued, is accrued but not received. जैसे वहां पे due और not pay लिखा था ना, ऐसे यहाँ पे भी आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. You have to write down over here, that is interest on FD, it's accrued but not received. Okay. So interest on accrued but not received. बट यहाँ पे आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि 10%. सो मैंने यहाँ पे 10% अज्यूम किया है. सो मैंने यहाँ पे 10% लिखा. If you are assuming 5%, if you are assuming 4%, 7%, whatever percentage you are assuming, you just have to write down over here. So they will come to know that 50,000 was my fixed deposit amount and 10% comes to 5,000. So I have taken that amount. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so this was the last entry of finalization of this company, that is KC and Shah company. So now you can go over here and you can see that amount. You can see in the indirect income, that is interest account, that is 5,000, it's receivable. Clear hua? So this 5,000 is an interest account, and you can go also in the balance sheet and you can check in the current asset also. That is accrued interest. Accrued interest 5,000 rupees. Clear everyone?
Yes.
बाकी लोगों को समझ में आया? Okay. So we have done with the KC Shah and company का online finalization. So any doubt in this company? That is how to reconcile on. Because we have checked the narration and after checking the narration, reading the narration, हम लोग ने उसका एंट्री किया. जो रॉन्ग रहेगा, आपने रॉन्ग एंट्री पास किया रहेगा, उसको हम लोग ने करेक्ट भी किया. तो आपको यहाँ पे रिकंसाइल ऐसे ही करना है मार्केट में. समझ में आ रहा है? So you have to check that also. So we have done with this. Okay. So now the last point is your profit and loss balances. It was before 3,30,000, but I have created that is accrued interest 5,000. So it increases to 3,35,000. So now this ये profit किसका है? ये profit and जो आपने earn किया है 3,35,000. ये किसका profit है? Whose profit?
KC and Shah.
Yes, that is owner कौन है यहाँ पे? कौशिक कुमार शाह is the owner of that. Because वो capital account का यहाँ पे owner है. So this profit you have to transfer in capital account. Okay. So again you have to pass the entry, that is just enter and alt tag कर सकते हो आप यहाँ पे. Okay. So entry will be, what will be your entry? You have to transfer the profit to KC, that is Kaushik Kumar. So क्या entry आएगा?
Party to capital.
पार्टी टू कैपिटल नहीं, पार्टी खुद कैपिटल अकाउंट है. See, your profit and loss account is your credit balance, so you have to transfer it. That means profit and loss account मेरा कम हो जाएगा. So you have two options that you have to transfer it. So just transfer it. जो भी आपको profit and loss के नीचे जो current balance दिख रहा है वो पूरा amount transfer करने का वहाँ पे 3,35,959. That means profit and loss account balance should be 0. Clear हुआ? You can see also
Yes.
there is a zero balance because this amount I am transferring to capital account, that is capital of Kaushik Shah. This to Kaushik. So now you can see in the Kaushik Shah the balance of the capital account, it increases to 5,98,959. So Bing profit transfer अकाउंट आप लिख सकते हो. क्लियर हुआ ये पॉइंट? So whatever the profit you are earning, it should be transferred in the capital account of the proprietor. So the Kaushik Kumar Shah is the proprietor of the KC Shah and Company. So I have transferred in the end of the year, that is on 31st March. So now you will see if the balance sheet. So see the current period, in the current year, in the profit and loss account, you have earned 3,35,959, but this amount you have less transferred. So that's why it's less over here. You have transferred in the capital account. So capital account increases to 5,98,000. You just enter it and just open it. So you'll come to know. So how to read the ledger, you will come to know over here. That is, in the capital account of the Kaushik Kumar Shah, the opening balance was 2,75,000. Opening balance was 2,75,000. But in the current year, you have earned the profit 3,35,959 in the credit side. This one. In the current year, 3,35,959 you have earned as a profit, and you have expenses like the drawing account. So it will deduct it from your capital account. So that's why debited over here. So net profit is 5,98,959. So 2,75,000 plus 3,35,959 minus 12,000. So it will comes to 5,98,959. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so we have done with the online finalization of KC Shah and Company. So next topic will continue in the next lecture. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.